Hey everyone, it's Rikta and you're watching Artisanry. Today I'm gonna be teaching you this fun portrait. So first I'm just gonna go over our supplies. Only thing you're gonna need: watercolor, one flat brush number 01, one round brush number 0, and 300 grams paper. Now just move on to skin tone. For skin tone I use different watercolors. Colors are light red, yellow ochre, white, dark brown. Yellow ochre mixed with white is gonna be our base tone. Light red and mixed with white is gonna be our warm highlights. Light red is gonna be warm shadows, and outlining the darkest part with the dark brown. As we start to develop skin tone, use color yellow ochre mixed with white for the base. Next add light red mixed with white for the warm undertone. Here I am smudging with fingers for smooth finish. Section will be focusing on eye. Now take a sky blue color, fill the iris by round brush. Now take a black color to fill the eyelashes, eyebrows and eyeliner. Here I am using round brush for fine lines. When you start to do eyelashes and eyebrows, make sure you use round brush for the fine lines. Let's move on to the lips. Begin by the blocking up the dark part with the color dark red and add pink for the base and dark red and mix with white for the base as well. Finish with black for the deepest parts. And the last step is going with the white color for highlights. just highlighting the eye with white color. Finally, let's finish your drawing by picking a hair color. I'm gonna pick black. Once you're done with the hair, just add dark brown for freckles. And now you're finished with this whole illustration. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, then please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and please click the bell icon over here.